Hola amigos, welcome back to my travel vlog here in Peru. For all my vegan and plant-based friends out there, this video is for you. We will be rating the top 3 vegan restaurants to give you the best vegan guide here in Arequipa. If you haven't already heard, we're here in Arequipa. It's such a beautiful city to check out the nightlife, architecture, music, and food. What the shit is this? Now we found many restaurants that offered vegan and vegetarian options, but we chose the top 3 fully vegan and we gave them stars based on 6 categories. So make sure to stay until the end to see who won our challenge for the best vegan restaurant here in Arequipa. We're here at OMPHALOS for lunch. Looks like a really good menu. Looks like they have a combination for 10 soles, so I'm totally in. I'm super hungry. Let's get going. So we just got the menu, the full menu, which is 10 soles for an entree, a soup, a main plate, and a small dessert, all for 10 soles. This is chicha morada, which is a native drink made out of purple corn. And this one is one of my favorites. It's called lucuma, which is also a native fruit here in Peru. Our first dish is the fried sweet potato, like little nuggets. Very interesting. Whoa, that's squishy. Not bad. So this is very typical of Peru to serve soup at lunch, actually dinner, and maybe even breakfast. So this is seaweed soup with their native corn. We got like a whole cob here. That must be really gross. I believe I just got the Swiss chard potato cake thing, and the side is some sort of vegetable potato thing. It looks pretty good. I feel sorry for the taku here. It looks a bit like a soup. That's okay. I think looks can be deceiving. I think that's what I've learned here. Presentation, not the best. But pretty good food. So we just finished our lunch at OMPHALOS. It's a really busy lunch place here. Highly recommend coming here if you're on a budget because they have a really great menu for only 10 soles. We were looking for a little more variety, which is why I gave them 3 points for variety. Atmosphere, also a 3 because it's kind of got this cafeteria style, but it was nice that we could sit outside. For price, we said 5 because, hello, 10 soles. Taste, we said 3. We were looking for a little, something that wasn't so dry. And because we found a hare and some other mystery things in our food. So we were, anyways, 3 for taste. Presentation, we said 1. It was very basic. Service, we thought was 5. It was great. As soon as we finished our dish, another dish came out, so 5 points for that. And we did get to take away something. Very surprised that we got paper packaging for this really tasty dessert. We gotta head out because we're heading to a free walking tour, so let's go. So we're heading into PRANA Vegan. Looks like a really extensive menu. I'm kind of excited about the big burger, but they have so many other things that I'm super excited about. So let's go. So our drinks just arrived. I got the super detox with spinach, and we also got the pisco sour with maracuya. First of all, I'm very happy that these did not come with straws, because that usually happens here. With our pisco sour, it's usually made with egg, and this one's all vegan. So, bottoms up. Super good. This one? That is pulpy. I don't even know what this is called. I think this is our ceviche, mango ceviche with banana chips on top. So cool. I'm really upset they don't have any burgers. It's 8 o'clock at night. I came in here to get a burger and I'm not getting a burger. It took them 40 minutes to even look at us to get our order in. Those people at the next table just got a hamburger. 2 hamburgers. And they just sat down. No dipping sauce, I have to say. You kind of want to dip this thing in something. Okay, it's kind of good. So we ordered this salad bowl that had spinach, basil leaves, kernel corn and sprouts of alfalfa with toasted herbed bread, mini burgers with black beans, with guacamole. Okay, I see the guacamole, but I don't see any spinach, and it doesn't say anything about broccoli. So, and this broccoli looks a bit yellow. I'm all confused. Okay, we have a burger. This is where my burger is. It's in here. I don't see any herbs on this toast. And I'm really craving spinach. I don't see any spinach whatsoever. I don't want to play with my food, but this is my burger. Okay, it's delicious. So this just showed up. I'm still eating. I think they want us to leave. I mean, it's not my fault. It took them 50 minutes to serve us. Now I have to go. I'm not even done. I still need my dessert. Since we were being kicked out, we have to take our dessert to go. But we're giving bonus points to sustainable packaging. So let's see what we get. We just got our takeaway in styrofoam. Okay, vegan cake looks good. But seriously, styrofoam? So I'm gonna make this quick because we're being kicked out. Variety, I would give it 5 stars. Atmosphere, 1. Sorry, the bathroom was not so good, and they had a crusty piece of soap. Price, 3. I didn't think what we were getting for the amount of the price that we were paying was a bit extreme. Taste, 4. The last dish was kind of salty, and the dessert was a little bit wah, wah. Presentation, I think I gave them a 4. Actually, I was kind of surprised by the presentation. Service, 1. Actually, I would think 0, but they were actually kind of nice. The bonus point being sustainable packaging, and that was a big fat 0. Sorry, styrofoam is no good. On to the next. We're here at BUDA PROFANO, the only vegan sushi restaurant I have ever seen, and it's actually run by a Canadian. The restaurant is pretty small, but it's really cute and cozy, and I would have to say every night it's packed, so very popular place to go so excited about this dish. We have gyoza, we have tempura, and we have some vegan mayonnaise and 2 other sauces that I don't really know. Honestly, I haven't tried vegan gyoza because it's very rare that you can find it anywhere in Toronto, so super excited to dig in. Onion, tofu, delicious. We ordered the 2-person combo and this thing looks stunning. So many colors and such varieties of rolls and maki rolls and sushi rolls. So let's go. So we just finished our meal at the vegan sushi restaurant. We got our takeaway, our little dessert here. I'm a little disappointed to see that there is plastic. It's so cute though. From the categories, variety was, I would say, 4. I think I was hoping for a little more in terms of different ingredients on the insides of the maki rolls, and I think I was looking for another dessert, like black sesame ice cream. I feel like that's just a staple on a Japanese menu. Atmosphere, I would say, is also a 4. I guess I was hoping for a little more romance, maybe some candlelight, perhaps. But otherwise, it was really cute and cozy. Price, I would give it a 5. I actually really liked that they had combinations and varieties within those combinations. You could have a 3-person combo or a 4-person combo, and the prices were still pretty good. So taste, I would give it a 4, only because I was missing ginger. Ginger is a staple. You have wasabi and you have ginger. Presentation was a 5. It was just really simple and I kind of appreciated that. No bonus points today, so I'm really disappointed to see that there was plastic, but I will take this home and enjoy it. If you're still with us, this means that you're curious as a cat. You kind of want to know who won the vegan challenge. OMPHALOS was the first restaurant we headed to. It was for lunch. The overall experience, I'm giving it a 2 stars. The service was good, but the food was not so good. Okay, you're paying less, you're getting much less. The second restaurant was PRANA. I'm only giving it 3 stars because the service was terrible. The food was good, the presentation was good, but that's about it. And then there was BUDA PROFANO. I'm giving this restaurant 4 stars. Sorry, I cannot give it 5 stars. I wish I could because the owner is Canadian. I feel that there was room for improvement, but I do like the idea of an all-vegan sushi restaurant. So thumbs up to that restaurant. Totally dig it. So you should go check it out. The link is in the description below for all of the restaurants that I checked out here in Arequipa. That's a wrap for me. Thanks to all the restaurants that allowed us to bring a camera inside. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I'm gonna go head over there to go see where the music is coming from, so check you later.